If you are yet to withdraw your major token into an exchange or into your Tonkeeper or any wallet you might be using, you might end up missing the major airdrop. So Major has released an update today that withdrawal will be closing tomorrow. So the message says, Major, have you withdrawn the token? If yes, then great. If not, hurry up. Starting tomorrow, November 25th at 8 a.m. UTC. That's about, I think, less than 12 hours or 12 hours to the time of recording this video. All withdrawal method will be unavailable. So any token you fail to claim will be totally bound. You will not have access to it again. So it's very important you hurry up and withdraw your major token as quick as possible. So choose your favorite exchange or wallet and withdraw there while you can. So any token you fail to withdraw, you will not be able to do that. And for you to withdraw, all you need to do is to come to your major account. You can see now, mine is processing now. Though some people have claimed that they've actually seen their token in their exchange. So I use Gate.io. I'm still waiting for me to be credited. You get that? So for you to claim you just come to Airdrop here. So when you click on Airdrop, you are going to see something like this where you see the criteria. Then down below here. So down below here, you click OK. Then it will take you to where you are going to select your exchange. Then after selecting your exchange, you need to copy your UID, deposit address, and the memo tag. So depending on your exchange. So you go to your exchange. So let me go to my Bybit. So for you to copy your UID, you just come here on your Bybit. Just tap. Then you are going to see your UID here. You can see. So after copying, you can just come here. Then if you want to copy your deposit address for major, just come here. You can see deposit, click on deposit crypto. So deposit crypto, then you search here. So you search here major. Can you see? You can see major icon here. So when you click, then you select the chain type, which is torn. So then here you see the deposit address, then tag. So that's how to copy. You copy, then you go back to your major and enter those details. You get that? So it's very important, it's very vital you do it today unfailingly. If not, you won't have access to this token again. So 12 hours remaining. Hurry up. Then more importantly, I discovered that a lot of people, after doing Telegram mini app, they don't really get much. So for you to actually get enough airdrop, so that's why we are migrating to testnet and mainnet. So these are airdrop. They are not Telegram airdrop, but they actually pays far better than Telegram airdrop. One example is Grass. Presently, Grass is around $2 plus per one. So check the link in the description of this video. You are going to see the list of all these coins that I've mentioned and even more. So make sure you join my Telegram channel so that you can learn more on how to make money online. So see you next time for more exciting update. Make sure you join my Telegram channel. It's very important. Get why.